Friday. First week of February. First Friday of the month ng February. Malapit na naman tayong mag-end ng February. Parang ang bilis ng panahon, no? February, March na. Oh my God. Kaya, yan dyan. Happy Friday, everyone. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today is Friday. Ang araw ngayon ay super fast. Tapos makulimlim na. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Hi guys. Yan, dito muna tayo, ha? Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Kumusta po ang lahat?